Looking for a versatile vehicle that can meet your every need? The Ford Transit van is a popular choice for those seeking adaptability and functionality in one robust package. Available in multiple models, including passenger vans, freight vans, and cutaways, the Transit provides a wide range of customizable configurations. This versatility ensures that whatever your requirements, there's a Ford Transit that can meet them. Engine options are diverse, featuring a 3.7 liters TI VCT V6 and a 3.5 liters EcoBoost V6, both offering impressive torque for a smooth and powerful driving experience. Despite its substantial size, the Transit is surprisingly enjoyable to drive, with excellent handling and maneuverability. The high-roof variant of the Ford Transit stands out for its generous interior space, making it an excellent choice for those needing extra headroom or planning camper van conversions. The cabin is designed for comfort and practicality, with thoughtful features that enhance both driving and passenger experience. Safety is also a priority, with advanced features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control available. Whether you're using it for commercial purposes, such as transporting goods and passengers, or converting it into a cozy home on wheels, the Ford Transit van combines efficiency, comfort, and reliability in one impressive package. The ultimate off-road adventure in a camper van. The Fiat DUCATO 4x4 Expedition is the answer for travelers seeking both performance and comfort. This robust camper van is built on the popular Fiat DUCATO base, offering a long wheelbase configuration with an extended overhang and a high roof, providing ample space and a commanding presence. Powered by a 2.3-liter 150-horsepower multi-jet 2 engine, the DUCATO 4x4 Expedition delivers exceptional efficiency and low emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for extended journeys. The advanced four-wheel drive system, developed by Dangel, ensures superior traction and handling on challenging terrains, allowing you to explore remote destinations with confidence. The exterior of the Fiat DUCATO 4x4 Expedition is as impressive as its performance. It features a striking two-tone paint job, LED daytime running lights, and a sturdy front skid plate, all designed to enhance its rugged appearance and functionality. Inside, the camper van combines elegance with practicality. The interior is fitted with streamlined furniture and high-tech materials, creating a modern and comfortable living space. The entertainment system includes retractable flat-screen TVs, ensuring you have all the comforts of home while on the road. Whether you're navigating mountain trails or cruising coastal highways, the Fiat DUCATO 4x4 Expedition offers a perfect blend of style, comfort, and off-road capability. Ever dream of hitting the open road in a vehicle that offers both luxury and rugged performance? The fresh rig Sprinter 170 van is your perfect match. Built on the robust Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 170 chassis, this custom-built camper van is designed for adventure enthusiasts seeking off-road capability and comfort. Its all-wheel drive and full suspension kit upgrade make it ideal for traversing challenging terrains, from rocky trails and national parks to remote, off-the-grid locations. Inside, the van boasts a spacious and well-thought-out layout, featuring a convenient kitchen area for meal preparation and ample storage space for all your essentials. The inclusion of a marine-grade toilet ensures that your travels remain comfortable and hassle-free. The fresh rig Sprinter 170 van is also a marvel of energy efficiency and year-round usability. Its 600 Ah lithium battery system provides sufficient power to keep your devices and appliances running, making it a self-sufficient mobile home for extended adventures. Whether you're camping in the heat of summer or the chill of winter, this van has you covered with hydronic heating and off-grid air conditioning. The thoughtful design ensures that you can enjoy the freedom of the road without compromising on comfort or convenience, making every journey memorable. Ever wonder what makes the KOMPANJA MARKISE camper van stand out in the crowded market of camper vans? Based on the Renault Traffic, this German-engineered marvel by KOMPANJA is a compact and versatile camper van designed to adapt to a variety of needs. The unique layout features narrow furniture lines on both sides, allowing for two Schnirl single seats to fit snugly between them. These seats are easily removable, providing ample space for transporting bulky items like furniture or sports equipment. The innovative bed design, consisting of a sliding slatted frame and a 3-part mattress, can be completely removed, leaving only the side rails. This clever design approach ensures that the KOMPANJA MARKISE can seamlessly transform from a cozy camper into a practical everyday vehicle. Adding to its appeal, the KOMPANJA MARKISE offers a pop-up roof, enhancing the open feel of the 4-passenger seating area and bringing a sense of spaciousness to the interior. For those who enjoy a touch of luxury, there's an option to include a projector and screen, allowing you to watch movies on the roof while lying in bed. This feature makes it perfect for movie nights under the stars. With its blend of innovative design and practical features, the KOMPANJA MARKISE camper van is a top choice for those seeking both adventure and convenience. Are you yearning for a life of freedom, joy, and connection with nature? Outside Van specializes in bringing this dream to reality by creating custom off-road sprinter vans designed for exceptional van life experiences. Their purpose-built vehicles cater to adventurers who seek comfort and convenience while off-grid camping. With decades of experience, Outside Van offers various models like the Pacer 170, Armadillo 144, and Ustidi 170, each featuring predetermined layouts and materials that have stood the test of time. Outside Van's vans are equipped with specialized amenities to enhance your outdoor living experience. They include sustainable power solutions to keep you off the grid longer, efficient storage systems for all your gear, and even full bathroom setups for ultimate comfort. These thoughtfully designed vehicles ensure you have everything you need for an adventurous yet luxurious lifestyle. Whether you're exploring remote trails or settling into a scenic campsite, Outside Van provides a top-tier solution for modern nomads seeking a harmonious blend of nature and comfort. Looking for a versatile and rugged camper van designed for off-road adventures? The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 might be the perfect fit. Equipped with an advanced all-wheel drive system, this vehicle provides enhanced traction and stability on challenging terrain. Its off-road capabilities are complemented by features such as high ground clearance, impressive approach, departure, and breakover angles, and better steering feel for improved maneuverability. The Sprinter 4x4 is built to handle remote trails with ease, ensuring that your journey remains smooth and controlled even in the most demanding environments. Inside, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 offers a blend of practicality and comfort, making it an ideal mobile home for extended trips. The spacious interior can be customized to include amenities such as a kitchenette, sleeping quarters, and storage solutions, catering to the needs of adventurous travelers. Advanced safety features and modern technology ensure that every journey is both safe and enjoyable. With its robust design and versatile functionality, the Sprinter 4x4 is not just a vehicle but a reliable companion for those seeking adventure without sacrificing comfort. Ultimate mobile home that combines innovation and comfort. NOMAD Vans, based in Vancouver, specializes in transforming Mercedes Sprinter and Metris vans into custom, 4-season tiny homes on wheels. These mobile homes are designed for off-grid living, expedition adventures, and outdoor exploration. Whether you're an avid cyclist, skier, camper, or earth roamer, NOMAD Vans offers a wide range of customization options tailored to your adventurous lifestyle. Each van conversion is meticulously crafted to ensure durability and functionality, providing a comfortable and reliable home base no matter where your journey takes you. NOMAD Van stands out with its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The company's expertise in engineering and design ensures that every van is equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, including solar power systems, advanced insulation, and efficient heating and cooling systems. From spacious interiors with custom cabinetry to integrated technology for connectivity and entertainment, every detail is thoughtfully considered. With NOMAD Vans, you can enjoy the freedom of the open road while having all the comforts of home at your fingertips. Their dedication to creating versatile and luxurious mobile living spaces makes them a top choice for those seeking a life of adventure and exploration. The Peugeot Rifter 4x4 concept might be your answer. This versatile camper van is built for off-road exploration, thanks to its robust 4x4 system provided by Angel. The increased ground clearance and BF Goodrich all-terrain tires ensure it can handle rugged terrains with ease. The roof features a 100 LED light bar, enhancing visibility during night drives, and an Autohome Overland fold-out tent, perfect for spontaneous camping trips. Additionally, the Peugeot Rifter 4x4 concept is equipped with a Peugeot M2FS power tube electric mountain bike mounted on the rear rack, allowing you to extend your adventure even further. This camper van combines practicality and innovation, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts. With its rugged design and advanced features, the Peugeot Rifter 4x4 concept is ready to tackle any journey, whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended road trip into the wild. To add both style and protection to your camper van, the RIGWELL RIGWRAP is a purpose-built DIY decal kit that does just that. Designed specifically for adventurers who want their vehicles to stand out, the RIGWRAP Topo series features a striking design with bold topographic lines and negative space. This unique decal kit isn't just about aesthetics, it's engineered to safeguard your van's most vulnerable areas, such as the lower panels, back doors, and flare space flares. Acting as a sacrificial layer, the RIGWRAP preserves your factory paint, ensuring your rig remains in top condition no matter where your travels take you. The RIGWELL RIGWRAP offers more than just protection. It's a canvas for expressing your love for the outdoors, with designs inspired by mountainous terrains. Easy to apply, the DIY decal kit allows you to customize your camper van to reflect your personality and passion for adventure. Whether you're parked at a campsite or navigating rugged trails, and stays protected. With RIGWELL's various designs, you can find the perfect fit for your aesthetic, making every journey a stylish and secure one. Are you ready for an off-road adventure like never before? The Winnebago Revel camper van, built on the robust Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van chassis, is designed to take you to the most rugged terrains with ease. This Class B RV is equipped with an odd-turbo diesel engine, ensuring you have the power and confidence to explore the great outdoors. Its off-road capabilities have been enhanced to handle challenging landscapes, making it perfect for those who crave adventure. With the Revel, you're not just driving, you're conquering the wilderness. Inside, the Revel boasts a modern, thoughtfully designed interior that caters to all your needs. It features a well-equipped kitchenette, a functional bathroom, a cozy sleeping area, and plenty of storage space for all your gear. The van is fitted with advanced off-grid power solutions, including solar panels and lithium-ion batteries, allowing you to stay off the grid for extended periods. Optional rugged upgrades, such as all-terrain tires, roof racks, and protective decals, further enhance the van's durability and functionality. The Winnebago Revel is your ultimate companion for off-road adventures and off-grid living. Looking for a camper van that seamlessly blends comfort with adventure? Meet the TRAKKA VW TRAKKADU camper van, a sleek conversion based on the Volkswagen T6.1 Transporter LWB. Designed for versatility, it caters to both city explorers and off-grid enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, drivers have a choice between a 2-liter 110 kW turbo diesel engine, delivering 340 Nm of torque, or a robust 146 kW bi-turbo diesel option with 450 Nm of torque. Its compact height of 2.06 meters ensures hassle-free navigation through underground car parks and effortless reverse parking, ideal for urban settings and remote campsites alike. With its ergonomic design and robust performance, the TRAKKADU sets a new standard in camper van innovation, continuing the legacy of Volkswagen's reliability and TRAKKA's craftsmanship. The TRAKKADU offers more than just mobility. Inside, passengers enjoy a thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes space without compromising on comfort. From integrated storage solutions to modern amenities, every detail is crafted to enhance the travel experience. For outdoor enthusiasts, the camper van boasts impressive off-grid capabilities, ensuring independence during extended journeys. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, the TRAKKA VW TRAKKADU camper van promises not only functionality, but also a touch of luxury on the road. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on camper vans, overlanding, outdoor gear, and camping essentials. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.